Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to talk about my portfolio and how I'm growing it from $500 to $1,000 and $1,000 to 1,500 and so on. And so today we're basically just going to talk about my portfolio, my overall, what my moves are for the future, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so right here I have Alibaba. I know I made one of these videos about 2 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago maybe. So if you guys can kind of compare that to this video, you can kind of see the difference. But anyways, guys, Alibaba has actually gone up a lot since that last video I made. It's gone up about $30 or so, 25. And my plans on with this is just to hold it. I'm basically just gonna hold this until a little after a year when I bought it in November. So I have no plans on selling this. It seems to be only going up, which is amazing since this is a Chinese stock. If Trump does do anything with it, I know he's been saying some stuff, but anyways, I just got to look into if anything happens to the stock, if it gets taken off the stock market or whatever, it might happen to it. But anyways, guys, that's just my plan for Alibaba. And then we have good old Tortoise acquisition. So guys, right now they're trading about $40. They're trading actually higher than what I expected. So they're just gonna add the fluctuation price, guys, until the merger happens. So the fluctuation price seems to be around $40 to $38. So it's pretty high. So if you guys kind of missed in, I wouldn't really. I mean, you guys can hop in now, but I'm just kind of giving my opinion on it. But I'm basically just waiting till the merger to happen for this one, and then I'm just gonna sell all my shares of it. So that's kind of the plan. Next is Pfizer, guys. Pfizer is one of the coronavirus vaccines. I heard they have some big news coming up in October. Phase 3 for a lot of companies are coming up. Pfizer still looks like a good run, even though they've been trading pretty consistently between $37 and $38. But if they do end up having the vaccine, the stock will obviously skyrocket. So I'm just going to hold. There's really no point in selling it. So that's just Pfizer for you guys. Next is Diamond Peak Holdings, guys. I made a video about this actually, where they are merging with Lordstown Motors. Another great stock, guys. It's gone up actually in the last couple of days. It went from like 13 to 16. It's just jumped all around, but I know the merger is happening quite soon, so I'm just gonna hold this stock too, and then play it out like I'm gonna do with Tortoise. So once it merges, guys. Now, last but not least is VBI Vaccines. So guys, I got this free stock because one of my buddies signed up for Robinhood, and he used my account to sign up, and he got a free stock, and I also got a free stock. We both got random free stocks. So yeah, and if you guys want to use my account to sign up, if you're not a Robinhood user, you can use my account link in the description, and we both will get a free stock. So that's just kind of what this is, a free stock. I'm just gonna kind of hold it. I haven't really looked into it much. I just kind of know it's a medical stock from the description. So that's really about it, guys. But if you guys enjoyed this and want to keep following up my trades, be sure to leave a comment. And if you guys like the video, please be sure to subscribe and like. And I'll see you guys next time.